This is part of the data science work. Part of the data science work is being able to do that, right? Because guess what? Same thing as we discussed earlier. When you show up on your first day for the actual job, they're going to be looking to you for ideas. They're not going to come to you with ideas. They don't know what data science is, right? They're going to look at you and say, okay, well, we hired you. You've been here for 2 hours. What's your idea? How are you going to help us? So don't miss that opportunity for you to be able to sit with your thoughts, think about what interests you, think about the questions, and questions can lead to hypotheses. And once you have that, you're on your way, right? Because now you can design your experiments, you can execute your experiments, you can interpret the results, all that good stuff, right? But if you're in a position to think about a question like that, I'm going to take it to mean that you have some training behind you already, right? So use your skills, right? Use your skills and think about your own personal interests and go out there and do it. All right. I believe in you.